Hello. You probably wouldn't have noticed, but I've reduced the number of places available on each one of my workshops. Why have I done that? Because less is more, and it's more for you guys. The feedback I've had from the people that have attended has really helped me make this decision, and I know it's the right thing for me and you. With fewer people, I can give more focus, more space and time to answer your questions. It's a much more tailored input. It's not quite one-to-one, but it's a lot closer to it. And these aren't just run-of-the-mill tick box sessions. My workshops aren't just about passing Part 3 or standards checks, although they will help vastly with that process. My workshops are much more designed for instructors who want to go the extra mile, the ultra professionals who want to raise their standard and the standard of everyone they come into contact with, people who want to do more for their learners. My scaling workshop is a tool that helps people develop better coaching conversations, any kind of coaching conversations. We're talking about this constantly in audits, off-duty driving instructor trainers. But scaling is a really simple technique, a tool that I give that means that you don't have to worry about question types. It just helps you develop conversations, and the conversations just flow. Mind mapping, a brilliant way to make sense of everything from overwhelm in an anxious driver to overconfidence in other drivers. It breaks down big concepts into manageable chunks with clear solutions. My Beyond the Test course brings together conversations, in-car activities. It's quite difficult to explain in a little sentence, but it's much more about helping new drivers to understand themselves much longer than after they pass the test. These workshops are about the bigger picture, about raising the bar for ourselves and the industry. We are the only ones who can make a difference and get people safer out there on the roads. So if you're ready to do some work at that level, this is the space for you. Fiona Drive, check out my workshops. Give me a message, give me a call, see if I've got anything that would be useful for you. I'll put some links in the thread. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be doing some more offers. So if you want cheaper offers on workshops, car and diagram sets, or anything else, please sign up for the email list, and then you've got the chance. Anyway, go out there, be brilliant. I'll speak soon.